honored to have a medical practitioner share their positive experience about our product. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Dr.
Good afternoon, everyone. Are you blessed?
Yes!
I'm so blessed hearing those testimonies, no? Everyone has a story. So, before you sell the product, you have to experience it. My price story. In December of 2022, my friend Larissa sold me a Classic 1. But I was hesitant to use it because I didn't feel any need for it at the time. Larissa would remind me every now and then to please use the device. Around March 2023, out of the blue, I developed joint pains in my knees. It was difficult for me to climb up to the second floor of our house.
Elevator niya dapat papatayo.
The X-ray
Hindi natuloy kasi
revealed
nag-itera.
degenerative changes in my knee joints. My medicines and food supplements did not help much. It came to a point that I decided to install an elevator in the house.
Wow.
So I called an architect. Please study where in the house can an elevator fit. She made a recommendation. However, I realized that there were many other stairs to climb outside of my home. Surgery was not an option for a busy person like me. I had to be free of joint pains, but how? Around this time, I was encouraged by the testimony of Mr. Ramon Timtiman. He suffered from Parkinson's disease for 5 years before he discovered the iTeracare 1. And the symptoms of tremors, body weakness, even speech impairment that caused him to lose his job, and insomnia were very much improved after just a few months of use. That is Ramon and his wife, Elizabeth. So I was convinced by his testimony and then began my love affair with the iTeracare 1.
Love of
I use it 2 times to 3 times a week. And it became a habit. The one thing became a habit for me.
Diyan pala galing.
At first, nothing seemed to be happening, but within 2 months, there was significant improvement. And
Yeah.
so I was able to climb the stairs without difficulty because
Wow,
there
nakapag-climb na
was
si Doktor.
hardly any pain. And, the one cost me at the time about 15,000 pesos, promo price. But I saved 2 million pesos.
Wow.
That was the price of the elevator.
Grabe, no? Yeah!
Thank you, Brian. I praise God for restoring the function of my knees, and I am likewise very grateful to my upline and leaders who played a role in my healing journey. Mobility is a great blessing. It allows one to have self-care. You don't have to depend on a caregiver, on your family member. It allows one to play an active role in the family and earn an income as well. And yes, with Thrive, we can travel anytime, anywhere.
Wow.